Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is very sunny.
You have picnic. It looks fun.
We are having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Yes, I want to join.
You want to join? Of course. Please sit with us.
Thank you. I bring some juice.
That's very kind. Thank you.
I like make new friends.
You like to make new friends? That's great.
Yes, I am new in the city.
Welcome. We are happy to meet you.
I am happy too. Your food looks good.
Thank you. Please try some.
Thank you for being friendly.
You're welcome. It's nice to have you here.
I feel happy now.
We are happy too. Let's enjoy the picnic together.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy apples, please.
You want to buy apples?
Yes, I want to buy 2 apples.
No problem. Here are 2 apples. Anything else?
Yes, I need some tomato.
Some tomatoes? Here you go.
Thank you. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It's $3.
Here is $3.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. My English not good.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I try every day.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day at the market.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the swimming pool. How can I help you?
I want learn swim.
You want to learn to swim?
Yes, I want to take swimming lessons.
That's great. We have lessons for beginners.
When is the lesson?
The lessons are every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m.
How much it cost?
How much does it cost? It is $10 for one lesson.
I understand. Can I join next lesson?
Yes, you can join the next lesson.
I am little nervous.
Don't worry, the teacher is very friendly.
Thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are doing well.
Thank you for help.
You're welcome. See you at the lesson.
See you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bookshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a book.
You want to buy a book.
Yes, I like to read story.
You like to read stories. That's great. What kind of story do you like?
I like happy story.
You like happy stories. I have a good book for you. It is called Sunny Days.
Is it easy to read?
Yes, it is very easy. Many people like it.
How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $5.
I take it, please.
Great. Here you are.
Thank you. My English is not very good.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I try every day.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new book.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the music store. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy a guitar.
You want to buy a guitar?
Yes, I like music very much.
That's great. We have many guitars. Do you want a big guitar or a small one?
I want small guitar, please.
You want a small guitar? Here's a nice one. Would you like to try it?
Yes, I try it.
You want to try it? Here you go.
It is very nice. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $80.
Okay, I take it.
Wonderful. Do you need anything else?
No, thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning well.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new guitar and have fun with music.
Thank you. I am very happy.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the ice cream shop. How can I help you?
I want ice cream, please.
Of course. What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate, but I also like vanilla. It is hard to choose.
Both are very good. You can try both if you want.
I want try both.
You want to try both? No problem. Here are small samples.
Thank you. I like chocolate more.
Great. Would you like 1 scoop or 2 scoops?
I want 2 scoop, please.
2 scoops. We say 2 scoops.
Oh, yes. 2 scoops, please.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English is not perfect?
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you. I am happy.
Enjoy your ice cream and have a sweet day.
Thank you. You too.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the toy store. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a gift for my niece.
You want to buy a gift for your niece?
Yes, her birthday is tomorrow.
That's nice. How old is she?
She is 5 years old.
We have many toys for 5-year-old girls. Does she like dolls or games?
She likes dolls very much.
She likes dolls very much. Here are some pretty dolls.
This doll is very nice. How much cost?
This doll is very nice. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $10.
I take it. Please?
Great choice. Would you like it in a gift bag?
Yes, please. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your niece loves the gift.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the coffee shop. What can I get for you?
I want 1 coffee, please.
You want 1 coffee. Would you like it hot or cold?
I like hot coffee.
Great. Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, I want milk and 1 sugar.
You want milk and 1 sugar. Anything else?
Yes, I want a tea for my friend.
You want a tea for your friend. We say a tea or some tea.
Oh, yes, I want a tea for my friend.
No problem. What kind of tea?
Green tea, please.
Perfect. That will be $5.
Here is $5.
Thank you. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I am learning every day.
You are doing great. Enjoy your drinks.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the travel agency. How can I help you?
I want to know about holiday package.
You want to know about holiday packages?
Yes, I want to go on holiday.
That's great. Where do you want to go?
I like the beach.
We have many beach packages. Do you want to travel in summer or winter?
I want travel in summer.
You want to travel in summer? Perfect. We have a nice package to Miami.
How much it cost?
How much does it cost? It is $500 for 1 week.
That is good. What is include?
What is included? Hotel and breakfast are included.
Thank you. I think about it.
You're welcome. Take your time. If you have questions, just ask.
My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning well.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the flower shop. How can I help you?
I want buy flowers, please.
You want to buy flowers?
Yes, today is my mother's birthday.
Today's your mother's birthday? That's very nice. What kind of flowers do you like?
I like red roses.
Red roses are beautiful. How many do you want?
I want 6 rows.
6 roses? We say 6 roses.
Oh, yes, 6 roses, please.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It is $12.
Here is $12.
Thank you. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I am learning every day.
You are doing great. I hope your mother loves the flowers.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.